One of the best benefits that I think that we gain from an AFA membership is the networking, the camaraderie. I've been involved in the AFA for a long time, on the boards for over 10 years, and I've made friends all over this country.
It's the people. You know, this industry is a family. This industry is just truly, heartwarming in the fact that, we come together, we're from all over the country. We share thoughts and ideas from all over the world, and it truly is just a huge networking opportunity.
It's just a great, closed community of friends, business partners. It's really easy to network, so becoming a member was a great decision.
As a newcomer into the fence industry, what I found was if I had a question about something, I couldn't go to my competitor down the street, but I could call up my friend in the eastern part of the country who didn't really have any competitive interference with me, and they were more than willing to share how they do things.
The networking aspect of being a member of the American Fence Association and coming to Fence Tech, I think that's the biggest value that any member could have.
That's one of those intangibles that you really can't sell. You've got to experience that.